the people of goodwill from all nations who desire to see the people of this planet progress in a state of peace, safety, and friendship.
Find it necessary to act and issue this declaration of goodwill.
Polarizing rhetoric, accompanied with vitriol and name-calling from leaders, celebrities, and media,
spawns tension among the masses and undermines goodwill and cooperation.
Therefore, we, the silent majority, and people of goodwill on this planet, have decided to take action and issue a call to correction.
Such a correction is essential, for our leaders have power to take us into wars and conflict that could destroy our civilization.
We do not expect our leaders to agree with us or each other on all matters, for that is beyond the present ability of most individuals.
But there is one thing all can do that will pave the way to quieten the present conflicts and opening the door to peace on earth.
We can all be civil to each other and send goodwill, rather than the prevailing ill will that we currently witness.
Loving our neighbor as ourselves is at the core of the teachings of every great messenger from the past.
And we need to be reminded of this now, perhaps more than any time in our history.
The great majority of us who are not in power do not hate those who vote or think differently than ourselves, nor do we care about their race, sex, or status.
We are willing to extend a hand of friendship and goodwill to all who will accept it.
We do not call others hateful names or desire to hurt them,
but seek harmlessness in all discourse and interaction and expect our leaders to do the same.
Many leaders and media personalities seem to think personal attacks are justified, as it highlights how bad the other guy is in order to effect change.
But negative tactics often result in negative rather than positive change.
Calling our neighbors haters when they see themselves as loving people results in resentment and often fuels the emotions of the projected name-calling.
The attack thus brings forth the hate that was not previously there.
So much grief in the world can be avoided if our leaders would embrace the spirit of goodwill, as it is longed for in so many of us who silently watch these reckless attacks.
Many leaders and media personalities understand this principle and use it to polarize and create false animosity where none should exist.
Therefore, we, the people of goodwill, call on leaders and media who fail to embrace a higher path.
To match the positive spirit of goodwill that exists in most humanity, the common people.
The day of watching leaders bring us to the brink of destruction is over.
All those in position of power and influence must be held accountable for their intentionally caustic speech, which incites anger and divides us.
Sending peace and goodwill is our charge as we seek to transform our societies throughout the world.
It is true we have problems to solve which require rigorous debate and uncomfortable discussions, but we cannot solve them by demonizing each other.
If we look for the best in one another and give our neighbors the benefit of the doubt, we have a much better chance of solving problems and reaching agreement.
Indeed, we need to start with ourselves. If each of us does our part to extend goodwill and friendship to all and encourage others to do the same,
the world will be healed,
and we can safely enter into a new era of peace and goodwill.